viewers, you're watching Tony R 619 Breaks. Booyah!
I love Benchwarmer.
Booyah!
Booyah!
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to day number 5 of Benchwarmer week. Today I have a Sin City 2015 Sin City 10 cards. Here's the back. Some of the cards that we can get. Hopefully we can get another 101. We've only gotten one 101 and no Kiss card, so maybe we can get a Kiss card and a 101. So Sin City, very nice. All right, wish me luck, guys. Let's get some mojo. Good luck, mojo. Wish me luck. Okay. I wanted to get a case of this when it first came out, but unfortunately I didn't have the funds, so I didn't get it. But I did pick up a few of these boxes. And this is when they were advertising the Kickstarter program, which they never did it. I had a pledge and they discontinued this. This was going to be kind of like those coffee table books, but they discontinued it. And it's pretty cool, and it comes in a case like this. Very nice. So right off we can see that we got a Lisa Lecatos 1 out of 3 redhead. Alright, oops, try to put this in the back. There we go. Cool little case. Alright, 10 cards. So first we got the Lisa Lecatos 1 out of 3. Corset. This is a premium base card. Corset. Premium base card. Very nice. 1 out of 3. Next we got the regular base auto. Corset auto. This is Anna Sophia Berglund. Very nice. Very nice design. Probably one of my more favorite cards. One of my more favorite designs that they have ever done. And they had two different types. They also had this type of design. This is Kirstie Lehman. Very nice. Purple ink. Autograph. Booyah. I like that. I like what she's wearing. Shannon Malone. Very nice. Looking good. Got Tiffany Taylor. Very nice, Tiffany Taylor. Next we got Candice Kita. I like that. I like what she's wearing. Booyah. Definitely like what she's wearing. We got a Scarlett Keegan base card. She changed her autograph. Now she just autographs her initials. Scarlett Keegan. Got an orange parallel. Miriam Gonzalez, 13 out of 21. Shout out to Joe Spice. Very nice. Then we got a, we hit a one. Oh my goodness, that's a 101 of Tori Wilson. Very awesome. Oh my goodness. Ship leader. Wow, that is awesome. I wish I had a little ink, but that is a dope 101. So it's got a ship right here, guys. Very nice. Not a real one, but very cool. It's a thick card. Very cool. Our second 101 from Benchwarmer week, and it's Tori Wilson. She's very popular, guys. So this is a good one to have. And booyah! Shout out to all the wrestling fans out there. Damn, look at that booty of Tori Wilson. Awesome. Man, awesome card. Love it. Awesome. And our last card is a Scarlett Keegan box. 7 of 7 poker face. Scarlett Keegan. I know the Ripper is into redheads. So there's a redhead for you, Ripper. Very cool. Very nice. Poker Face. Alright, so there you have it. That was bots number 5 of Benchwarmer week. Alright, we got 2 more boxes to go. Hopefully we get 2 more 101s. Alright, see you guys.